To fix the screencasting problem on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, let's start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to enter Wi-Fi. So here, make sure that you have your phone connected to the exactly same Wi-Fi network as your TV. So check your TV Wi-Fi network as well. If it says the same name, you should be fine. If it says 5G on your TV, but here it's just Wi-Fi network name without 5G, make sure that they are connected to the same exact network. For example, both to 5G or both to standard normal network. And next thing that you can try to do is activate the Bluetooth. Sometimes it will help. Just make sure that the Bluetooth is active. After all that, we can navigate to our Wi-Fi, to our more connectivity options. Then go to the cast right here and make sure that the cast is active. After that, you will see a window like that. And after a moment, we should see our TV. Now, if you still cannot see it, just also make sure that your TV is powered on. You can open a browser or some internet activity on your TV to see if it's connected to the network. After that, it should work fine. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.